atao hoe tiany Yahhoshua. Tsy teny mihitsy na hoe tsy mety kosa zany. Rehefa zay ny hafalan'i Yahhoshua dia atao. Rehefa zay no mampetiny laminasan'i Yahhoshua amin'ny famonjenan'ny olona dia atao. Rehefa zay ny atongan'i Yahhoshua faly amin'ny famalina atao. Ho azy ny voninahitra mampibengena iny Yahhoshua rahailay mora tena mora mafy izy satria olombelona fa Yahhoshua Andriamanitra izy koa olona fa mafy koa ny anazy fa isaorana izy amin'izay nataony ho azy ny voninahitra manak'izay tena mionona mihitsy na dia maraina mafy aza koa tena mionona zay izy fa dia aminareo terizy foana temenena tianareo foana zay tsy misy zahatra ao anatin'ny sainay fa tsy ny atongavandreo ny amin'ny lanitsy zay ary tsy misy afa-tsy zay dia tadio tsara sonao mety hoe lasina ka anao tsinitsinina posinareo fa posisy riana dia anakay foana zay posi vady ny ziady ahela sy riana vady ziady ahela fa ely hafa tsy hitanareo maso fotsiny izy ho an'izay mahay an'izany fa mahay an'izany ho an'izay tsy mahay an'izany rehefa tonga aty anao dia hainao azy zany satria laminasany Yahhoshua tamin'ny fandaminana daholo zany fa raha tsy zany be dehibe zaka sy matato raha tsy tonga taty re ho an'izay tonga ato mahafatatra an'izay ho azy reo rehefa any ohinany fina daholona tonga an'izany laminasany dadalafasy Yahhoshua zany nandaminana ny fanjakana masa zay izy zay dia so mieritreritra hoe posindray ty sisa ka hanao tsinitsinina azy fa direct za miady aminareo manao an'ny posinareo egalina manao any ery direct ary tsy hainareo ny hery sy fahefanany ambadika any fa aza mandretitra amin'ny santsara posisy ery ahy egalina anankiray teny iray zay satria vady ary raha misy fotoana tsy eo zany izy mitondranareo ato efaneko sady miteny araka lalana hoe tsy misy vehivavy mitondra izy tsy hitondra fivavahana fa hitondra ny fiambenana sy ny fiarovana rehetrarehetra izy tsisy mihitsy ny ataonareo ato mahavita an'izay na ray azy nampianaikitra azy tsisy maina an'izany afa-tsy izy le tsy ny raha nytoroteny anareo zay koa ohatrany asa mety amin'izay ka za miteny hoe danyreny so manao tsinitsinina azy fa tena interidina no tsinitsinina azy teniny Eliazy teniny Yahhoshua zay ary teny mitara Yahvazy tsy fisangy izy tsy mitovy aminareo ny olona anankiray hafa loatra zay natonga azy nataony Yahhoshua hoe numéro 1 ary manaky an'izany daolo izy satria tena numéro 1 izy Yahhoshua zay ny teny fa dia miraha isoanareo tena hery tsara fa raha tianareo zay dia atao sy atongavanareo ny amin'ny lanitra lanitra raha tianareo Yahhoshua dia atao sy atonganareo ny ile tratrany amin'ny atao tonga ile tratrany tasona ny fahamasina trantany aza manaiky jireo tsara zo feretana izao zay ny tena tsy mety matoly any tsy matoly alina mihitsy fa miketrika foana hoe ahoana andraina anaovana nanina manaraka andeha mba hatonga ny fahatanteran'ireo olona roa tonga soany amin'ny Yahhoshua daholo inona ny tokony atao inona ny mety atao zay ny andro ny anontolo dia tena zany foana indrindra fa imposisiana iny tsy mety matory mihitsy satria miketriketrika ny olona anareo foana ny atao zara tena zara raha ny tsy mahafantatra ny problème reo matetiky izy foana mamany maro aminareo zany be dehibe aminareo ny tsy fantatro mihitsy gaga fotony rehefa fe hoe misy olona miteny zaka ty anaky le tsy azoko sanresaka zany aika izy mamany olona rehetrarehetra amin'izay manjara azy zany fa tena tena re min'olona saingy fanaratsiana foana natao anazy ary mety tram'izany so hoe fa lonelo mpanao an'izany efa inareo sara olona miketriketriky ny atongavanareo any amin'ny Yahhoshua fe dia mpanao ratsy ny dikan'izany fa reny dia volo reny na ny elitsao tato ary izy tamin'ireny dia volo reny no niezaka mbantonanareo any amin'ny fahamarinana amin'ny fahamasinana madio tsara mamaizany jerona amin'izay. Zay fa dia tena Yahoshua ohatsika leo hiaraka isakafo dia misakafo dia manao fanasany Yahoshua sotrany Yahoshua fa mbola tsy mahay fanakiana izody izody tsy izy tapotra koa izy Yahoshua hoe ndana aloha midina aloha vady lany ohatrany vosary sanio ihany izay sitrany zay fomba misitrany kely sitrany eny tovy ihany moa zany satria fa tsy maintsy androany ihany fa mba misitrany mba misy adalona telo ka fidifihina kely ao fotona fihinanana hoe rehefa hoany Yahoshua dia afotsitra tao satria Yahoshua hoe asori kena izy fo izay mipity amin'ny Yahoshua tena amponareo zany zany fa tsy moramora ny vany Yahoshua zay ray zay fa bekoana zay tsy misy zavatra mandeha moramora zany fa nylesinao melinareo sy ampitainareo kosa tenareo aza miditra ny amin'ny hôtely valaka dia tena mitenareo fa sady nenina tsy afaka miverina ty amin'ny antsonareo fa nilozonjoany zany leo za tsy hiteny fa nareo any mpampitatary zay aza miaraka mitotrona zany fa indreto samby fonona ampidiriny Yahoshua koa vity nareo azony ny fifitianana terizy ny fitiavana Yahoshua terizy ny fitiavana dada Yahva terizy ny fitiavana minenareo tsy hiposy maso misy zay nampianatra sy namanatra terizy dao zany atao zay tongaponareo any aminay na iny Yahoshua dia zay zany alefa eto amin'izay sakafo dia miandrindrika izy sy menana aleo izy alaiko sa tsy alaina izy eny arimena izy na dia malena fo dia tsy maintsy mena mandeha haika ny fizarana eny aza koa miatakapana ihany fa tsy manino
teny faratsisy hoe inona fa tahiny dada Yahva tahiny Yahoshua daholo dia mivaratsika rehetrarehetra maniry mihitsy mba ho tonga soa any aminazy dia ianao le mofo zay zany averikoana ianao amin'izay le mofo fa mijangajanga ianao dia ndanange mba misaina hoe dia mitondra inona nefa le izy nanao ratsy ianao dia mitondra inona nefa le izy andana amin'izay miverina manavitra le fanahy nalana ho an'ny fanahy fitsarana mantsy hoe zay tiany miditra fa tsy zay resy lahatra ianaro zany le mitiana moko zao andala le tena fitiavana atao fa tsy le fandresen-dahatra fa raha resy lahatra ianao mitovy amin'ny olona any atokantrano ihany be dia be ny resy lahatra any fa tsy miditra fotsiny izy nefa ny valan'ny fitsarana na vitabatisa renao tsy miditra foana ianao rehefa tsy tia andala zany atao zay tiavana tokana ihany zany sisa napetrako hoe andana mitia anazy na hainanao ratsy nareo satria tsy tia anazy fa rehefa tia anazy dia izy tsy tia ratsy dia tsy tianareo azy koa le ratsy satria te ampifaly anazy nareo zay namany fa tsisy tenenina be tsony dia akoba zay meko fa tsy hitako hoe inona dia tahiny dada Yahva tahiny Yahoshua sotra be dia be any Elia koa za satria mbola nanokatra indray ny lalana ahafahanareo rehetrarehetra miazakazaka dia asivy vidiny izay, asivy lanjany izay, fa ny fotoana anaovanareo alizy tsy inona tsy lavabe intsony fa fohy kely tena faran'izay fohy, kanefa koa mbola samy manana ny leranareo nareo. Izao miaingeto dia azoko atao hoe ambara ofisialan'izay hoe hiditra amin'izay ny fanatanterahana ny teny sy famaranana ny tantara. Enareo mba anisan'ilay hoe tsy maintsy hoentina miakatra. Izay zany ny faniriana satria izay koa no niedivana mafy ty, izay hoe retana foana hatramin'izao. Dia izay koa ny dikan'izao fisarahana izao miatongavanareo faran'izay any anany. Tsy mety tsony ilay miandriany satria efa maika be ilay izy, efa mandeha hoe mididy hoe mivoaboka, efa maika be ilay izy. Dia sao dia izy mivoaka nareo nefa mbola tavela eo dia tsisy mahasamy hafa anareo amin'ilay nandefina ny YAHOSHUAH satria ny elo anankiray ihany, ny elo anankiray ihany fa tsisy hoe ty elo ho an'ny mpanao an'izao, ty elo ho an'ny mpanao an'izao. Dia nahoana moa nareo ny anaiky tovilarana amin'ireny? Aza maraiky amin'izany fa andana milahatra, andana miady, andana miazakazaka ho tray laharana amin'ilay mpamaly an'ireny. Dia fa tonga Elia mpitaritafika dia arao izy, mety tonga ny fotoana tsy ho hita izy tazomy teny. Dia averiko foana hoe ny tsarana voalohany dia ny fampianarana. Izany hoe nareo zany raha andeha zany nareo hanao ny azakazakareo ndana aloha regleo ny fampianarana, satria tsy maintsy voky ilay fanahy. Rehefa voky ny zavatra anankiray dia mingesa dia iny mahery, ka rehefa mingesa ny fanahinareo mahery izy no mitarika fa taraiky eo ilay nofo, aleo ilay nofo taraiky amin'izay. Aza manaiky fitahana tsony hoe ilay nofo foana, filany nofo foana, ilay zavatra tadiavin'ny nofo foana ampy izay, tena ampy izay. Ny mampalahelo nefa ny fotoana nanaovanareo ny adalàna lava noho ny fotoana anoneranareo tsirairay avy. Dia izay ilay hoe tena hoe maximum de vitesse mihitsy isambatan'olona isaka ny fanahy tsirairay avy. Ny fanahinareo tena maniry, tena miady, tena teanao be mihitsy faratapiny izy. Izany mahatonga anareo hoe raha ny raha tsy natao tokony tsy verina eto izany intsony, fa tena mbola misisika izy. Ary ny fangatahana sy ny fitarainan'izareo no voaray hoe voarain'ny YAHOSHUAH dia mivahany Elia io hoe avelao mba hiazakazaka farany ahy. Tonga ilay hazakazaka farany dia azo atao verimaina ilay chance nomeny Elia, fa mbola landefitra izy noho ny amin'ny mafinetiny zokony mbola nohonareo ihany. Raha tokony hoe vao vita batisa, izay ny lalàna, izay ny lalàna ho an'ny fanahy fitsarana. Vao vita ny batisa ny olona anankiray dia eo izy tsy manota intsony, ary hainareo zany. Noho izany manomboka eo ny fitsarana. Aza mieritreritra efa niteneko tamin'ireo tany Boibao fa tovinareo dia mba omeko anareo ihany le teny hoe aza mieritreritra hoe hanolotra. Dia ny sarita zany eo ambony ao dia hoe misy tena manolotra izy saingy le zavatra nataony farany no onerany. Fa averiko hoe ny tsarana dia nanomboka ianao vita batisa, andana mandiny tena ndre mandeha hoe inona aby le natao, andana mangataka ny YAHOSHUAH hoe averenao amiko daholo le natao, ahafahanao manolotra an'ireny. Dia mety tena misy kivy, misy efa fanahy efa miteny ao hoe tsy possible intsony nena be loatra nena, tsy possible intsony ny anonera. Saingy izao possible be ngamba nefa mba entinareo teneny foana hoe
Come on, Spirit, we have faith. It's possible for me. I've done many things. It's not possible for us. But it's really possible. Maybe you have seen, even though you are decided right now to pay back, so why you have done this? Because the love is not full, but you are convinced. You are only convinced that Jesus is fake, Allah is fake, the other gods are fake, and Yahushua is the right one. It is good. But if you are really love Him, you cannot do again what is punished. And really loving, never do evil things. It is shameful for those who are praying idols. They are not loving, but they fear. They fear that the idol kills them, and that's why Yahushua don't punish you right away, because your life will be feared. But what He asks is love. But you take a prophet as he never answer you, but he wants love. If you say, I want love, I want to do more than the first love, so love Yahushua. You don't have love Yahushua. But if you ask Yahushua, make me love you, and it is answered. It's like a formula. But let Yahushua feel that you really seek for that you seek to love Him, and if love is in you, have paid back. How to judge a person that the love for the Yahushua is burning? So love Yahushua. Run to love Yahushua extremely. Maybe they are three-fourths. It's half, one-fourth. I don't know. I am not here. But there, run. And remember, it's love. It is because of love that all things happen. He left his father because of love. He left his throne because of love. It's really difficult for a father that his son will be dead because of his enemy. For those who rebelled against him, that his son said, let me save your enemy. So the father Yahushua has endured for the first time. So Father Yahushua loves you for the first time. Then Yahushua endures, and then comes Yahweh. So there are many things happening in the heavens, final for you. The moment He is arriving, I can't do anything but earlier. That's why He said, run. This is the last chance for you. So run. Leave the flesh. Save your spirit. If you are dead tomorrow, there is nothing. You're adulterating. You're killing. But run once again. Through the love, extreme love. You don't know the definition of love. I will not teach this because it will be a formula. Ask it for Yahushua. If you have this, then you have this. Don't be late. I say to you, don't be late, because the day of one person, it may be tomorrow. It may be 1% after tomorrow. The others is after 1 week. The others is after 2 years. Yeah, but if yours is tomorrow, so you in danger. You don't know the day and time at the end of your life. So from now on, to the extreme round, do what the extreme effort we can do. Now, other message in the song, even though it is a slow, even though it is a dance, there is a message in the songs as we remember each other. Where I say, make valuable endure suffering from Yahhoshua. He was stepped down and he really asked with a cry to Father Yahweh. He screamed lastly before dying, even though he thinks that he never see Yahweh. He really do, even though he really he's always asked for mercy for you, and he always fight for you. But time is running now, so run, extreme, run quickly. Don't wait the one next to you, because your time is not the same. Don't wait for him. Don't trust the one with you, even though he's a CA. Don't trust him. What you know is you are not belonging to your wife or a husband, your child, your parents, or anyone else, but only you belong to Yahhoshua. And your spirit arrive in Yahhoshua. It is only things, and only duty for wife, child, and husband, and family. All you know is your spirit arrive in Yahhoshua. You have the complete authority if you arrive as CA, because you can defeat Lune, because Lune is a sin. If you have defeated sin, so you have defeated Lune, it means that you are stronger. So it's not just saying, I can't pay back. It's not an excuse. So there is someone asking if you arrive in judgment, can we talk? No, there is a time for that. The only way to save you is through warning you, punishing you, that measure yourself, who you are, where you're going. You know where you're going. You know your way. So it's not good that I've done this, but you must fight. You know what you have done. You know your way. So measure yourself. If you are among that pay back, you have to revenge. But you don't love, you have repaired. You are like a person killing him. You are like person stepping on him. You are like them. If you are always punished, but you have done what you have done. If you are not convinced, if you don't love, so more than the first love, maximum speed. Don't think as like Elia is talking, Sienna is talking. You are really warm. I will change. But after you forget, but from now, rise the lover of Yahhoshua. If you love Yahhoshua, everything is talked to you. And even though everything is you can coming back, don't think that is talk to you so that you can run. The first condition is teaching. There is someone who has lost It's not time to do that. It's your spirit who are your spirit is not saved, but it's your flesh. If your flesh is hungry, you can do many kilometers. But now, if your spirit is if our spirit is hungry, so feed him. My spirit must be rising like this. Now I repair the corpse of pussy, so as your spirit repair your body. It's like that. There is no more words, but love Yahhoshua. And last thing is the feet of the priest is near the Malaki people. Is the first Malaki of Elia. The first production is Malaki people. So I would like to ask, and I would like to see. I'd like to see as a remembrance as well. So we're gonna show you are not ashamed as a Malaki, but you are so proud as chosen. So you are Malaki as on the Christ feast, and GLL is not destroyed, but they are there. I don't know, but I just talk on the feast of Christ. It's not only GL or Malaki here. So if you feel that you are CA and Malaki, you take part on this feast of Christ. That is to show Malaki people are chosen. I must show that Malaki people are chosen. I have thirst. But I'll ask, it's okay. Whoever who are CA Malaki, come up here and show that Malaki people are chosen, and show that Malaki people has seen Elia. So we put on MCA partners and GLL the program for that, and we put for this, and the others are just laughing. It's good. So Yahhoshua bless you all. Where is the cup? Stop. MCA, you do program the MCA to according the plan as you do for the meal of Yahhoshua. But this, everyone eat, even though you are guest. And what I share is a picture of something. If yes, say after judgment, they come to you, and this is someone with it's a glove with blood of Yahhoshua, and say you can get in, and It must be the picture as I done. Is nothing I give it to you. The picture I give this cloth to you. It's really wonderful. So arrive to our home. Everyone have a seat, and the MCA just to the program. Follow the program. Everyone have a seat. Is it okay? Is it okay? So you follow the instruction of the responsible. There must be someone open the way, open the way, open the way. The responsible organize this.
zay mahazo dia tsy andevinana ny azy.
Those who have received their part, they can eat right away.
Manjary tsy afaka mivoaka ilay olona mbola tsy averina amin'ny lalana iny. Manjary tsisy mivoanio fa ilay olona hiverina makatao voaly dia makany. Fa tsy mety iny. Satria mba misy olona voaka makany invesina sa voaka eo. Tsy azo sokany ny lalana tena vesina. Yahhoshua as a Torah.
Maybe there is someone arriving here and they wish and asking Yahushua. Yahushua left, don't finish the kuba. The kuba. A kuba is a Malaki dish. A very really Malaki dish here, like a cake.
And she was staying in the second range. And there is someone who cheer up here, and he was like, even it will be in the third round, there are still left. For the ones who were behind, they're so desperate and hopeless. And they were like, it won't reach here anymore. First dish. Yahhoshua, don't make it run out. I'm not afraid not to get one. Immediately I'm going to turn it to this side. Ah, okay, okay. Give them first. Don't say that. There, I'm going to turn it in this side. Who wear glasses, we're going to turn it to another side.